Alright, we have a circuit and we need to find the equivalent resistance between point A and B. All the individual resistances are of same magnitude R. Now if you look at this entire circuit carefully, you will see that this entire circuit is symmetric about this vertical line. So if I consider left hand side of this vertical line, and if I try to fold it about that line, it will exactly superimpose with the other half of the circuit. So what we can do to solve this question is consider only one side of the one half of the line. So let's say we consider left hand side. So the resistance that we get of that left hand part, if we double that resistance, we'll get the resistance of the overall circuit between point A and B. So let's now just consider the part on the left hand side of this line of symmetry. So we have point A, and then we have this resistance R, we have this resistance R, we have this resistance R. Let's call this point as X. We have this resistance R. This is not R, this is R by 2, because we have considered exactly midway half of this resistance, right, because of the line of symmetry. So this is R by 2, and so basically when we talk about line of symmetry, so all the points on this line, if I consider this line of symmetry, all the points on this line will be equipotential. All of them will have same potential. So if I consider this point and this point and this point, all of them are equipotential, which means I can as well join them, right, because all of them are same point, which means all these three resistances R, R by 2 and R are in parallel now. So again redrawing the resistances, I have A, this is R, this R and this R in parallel is R by 2, and then R by 2 and R by 2 in parallel become R by 4. So this R is in series, now this is in series with R by 4, and then we have R over here, and then this is point X. Now this R and this R by 4 are in series, and then that combined is in parallel to this R, which means this is 5R by 4 in parallel to R. This is point A, this is point X. So the equivalent resistance is 5 by 5 plus 4, which is 9. So 5 by 9 R is the equivalent resistance between A and X, which means the overall resistance between point A and B is twice of 5 by 9 R, which is 10 by 9 R.